Hello everyone, myself Rudra Shahu from Ahmedabad.
Nandini Rathore from Ahmedabad.
Branti Rathod from Bhuj, Kutch.
Sanjay Pradeep Chaudhary from Maharashtra.
Siddheshwar Mane from Maharashtra.
Nikisha from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
પ્રિયાંશી વાલન from Vadodara, Gujarat.
Nayasha from Ahmedabad.
ફરહાન ઇમ્તિયાઝ સોનાસરા પાલનપુર ગુજરાતથી છું.
I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
કાચી મોહમ્મદ નાઈન ગુજરાત ઇન્ડિયાથી છું.
વરુણ હું પંચમહાલથી છું.
Sumit Garwa from Bhuj, Kutch.
Let's talk about Kyrgyzstan. Best quality educations, best university infrastructure, modern faculties and best faculties of India.
The hospital setup is very extraordinary. Real patient, real growth, and real experience.
World class education with Indian professor, which feels like home.
This university is WHO NMC approved.
High quality education, globally recognized degree, strong clinical exposure.
One of the best university for safety and security. Comfortable weather, patience-full people, peaceful country.
Best hostel facilities, clean environment, and great Indian foods.
અહીંયા ખાવા પીવા રહેવા અને ભણવાની મોજ.
Don't waste money in India. Come to Kyrgyzstan is the affordable and best.
અહીંયાનું એટમોસ્ફિયર ખૂબ જ સરસ છે, રહેવાની મજા આવે છે અને લોકો ખૂબ જ ફ્રેન્ડલી છે.
અહીંયાનું ખાવાનું ખૂબ જ સારું છે.
And I'm proud to say I belong to the best college in Kyrgyzstan, OSHIMU.